Good morning, dear aspirant. So, due to some technical issues, we could not able to do the news for the previous days. So, we will continue with the news. So, Supreme Court intervention in interstate relations, particularly the Mullai Periyar Dam case. All you need to know about the Mullai Periyar Dam is Mullai Periyar Dam was built in the princely state of Travancore, that is a present day Kerala, in late 1800. And in 1886, it is given to British ruled Madras Presidency on a 999-year lease period. So, according to this agreement, the full rights granted to Tamil Nadu to construct irrigation projects on the land. The purpose is to build to divert eastwards a part of the west flowing Periyar River to feed the arid areas of Tamil Nadu. Supreme Court's recent directives on Mullai Periyar Dam. Supreme Court directed Kerala and Tamil Nadu to cooperate on a long pending repair and maintenance of this dam, and also a bench that is led by Surya Kant says that to process Tamil Nadu's tree felling application within 2 weeks, and Kerala's environment concern over road repairs through forest areas were addressed. What the constitution provision for water distribution is, actually this comes under the state list. So the state have the power to regulate water supply, irrigation, canal drainage, and according to entry 56 in the union list, it gives the union government power to regulate and develop interstate rivers. Article 262 provides for adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers of river valleys. Then freedom of speech and expression, the case of Professor Ali Khan, Mahmudabad. So Professor Ali Khan of Ashoka University arrested by Haryana police over social media post on Operation Sindoor. So the FIR is filed for endangering sovereignty and promoting enmity. So that posts were analytical and patriotical. Supreme Court agreed to hear his plea urgently. Article 19, Class 1, Subclass A, Freedom of Speech and Expression. All citizens shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression, rooted in the preamble, solemn resolve to secure liberty of thought and expression. And this particular article is available only to citizens, because certain fundamental rights is available to not only to citizen, also foreign national. So the aspects included in Article 19, Class 1A. Protection for media to report and publish without undue restrictions, right not to speak or express oneself, right to expression beyond national boundaries, freedom of commercial speech, right to broadcast, right to information, and right to criticize. There is also a restriction that freedom of expression should not curtail or should not threaten the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of state, friendly relation with the foreign states, public order, contempt of court, defamation, incitement to offence. ISRO's PSLV C-61 failure, implications for India's space program. ISRO PSLV C-61 failed to place EOS-09 satellite. EOS-09 was designed for civilian uses like land use mapping and hydrology. The Department of Space had invited MP indicating dual use implication beyond civilian observations. So the challenges facing ISRO space-based surveillance capacity is EOS-09 failure shows limitations in ISRO's capacity, and Operation Sindoor revealed India's reliance on foreign commercial imagery. ISRO's resources stretched across R&D, manufacturing, process, and Gaganyaan. And it is an urgent space-based surveillance need competing with civilian monitoring objectives. So there are some key space technologies like synthetic aperture radar, C-band data link, which provide high-resolution satellite, sun synchronous orbit preferred for Earth observation, dual-use technology, civilian assets leveraged for military purpose. Space-based surveillance 3 program, total satellite is 52, 31 private sector satellite to be launched, and ISRO launches 21 satellites directly by ISRO. mRNA, that is which is a mysterious biological process. So mRNA, nothing but microRNA editing, means it is a gene editing. Usually it is done in the animals, but recently that was also induced in the fungus, so that to understand the mRNA editing. Try to answer this mains question. Discuss the constitutional safeguards available for freedom of speech in India. How does the frequent invocation of laws like sedition affect academic freedom and democratic discourse? Thank you. Have a great day.